डोळा उघडा छान.
पूर्ण मोठा आहे डोळा. असंच वर बघत हलवतो.
सरळ पण क्रीमला इकडे.
दो, फिर लाइट कर दो।
छान झाला. तुला लगेच आत्ताच दिसत काढलाय, एकच नंबर सोडलाय.
हाँ इसीलिए
इस पे लाइट आ रहा है ऊपर. हाँ
या तो आँखें बंद ही कर जाए, ये भी चुनिए सामने दोनों में थोड़ी नजर ही नहीं.
हाँ, तुम इधर कैमरे पे मत देखो, किधर भी देखो चलेगा.
आँखें बंद ही
हाँ
करो.
बस बातें करो, मैं तो आँख दिखता ही नहीं.
शुरू.
Hello everyone, this is Jaya Vidyani. I stay in Mulund East. I know Dr. Deshpande from the last 20 years. He had done the cataract of my grandmom also. He's a very helpful doctor. I contacted him because I was getting infection due to lens and specs was like a headache. He told me about LASIK and suddenly when I came out of the operation theatre, my life had changed. I could see everything so clearly and I believed it was a dream come true. I was really nervous during the operation, but it did not hurt me anymore. A little bit of pressure, and there were so many people to cooperate with me to tell me what to do and what not. So it was really a painless experience, just a little bit of pressure, and it has entirely changed my life. I would really suggest everybody who is using specs and lens, please go for it. And I'm really thankful to the doctors for helping me. They don't make us wait like other hospitals and all. They're really very cooperative, and I had a
Cataract is the most common cause of blindness all around the world. Cataract has not remained a very fearful thing for people anymore because of recent advances in technology and skill of the surgeons. What cataract means is a waterfall. The way waterfall looks very white, your natural clear lens becomes opaque, and the light is not able to pass through it towards your retina, and it is not able to focus light anymore on your retina. So the images that you see with that eye look fuzzy, blurred. You start getting glares, and your vision is not correctable even with glasses. A person himself can come to know that he has developed a cataract when he finds that driving is very difficult at night, where he sees headlamps coming from opposite vehicles spread out, and he finds it difficult to look at them. When such symptoms develop, it is advisable to visit to your ophthalmologist, where a rigorous examination is conducted. The eye is checked with magnifying instruments called slit lamp. Your retina is checked, your eye pressure is checked, all tests are done to make sure that your cataract surgery is carried out very safely and you regain good vision after surgery. So who are the people who are more likely to develop cataract? It is very common in people who are 60 years and above. Nobody is spared of a cataract, but cataract surgery is done only when person is symptomatic and he is not able to carry out his day-to-day activities even with his glasses on. So even if somebody has got an early cataract, that doesn't mean that you have to get operated immediately. But if your ophthalmologist sees your eye and suggests that it needs to be done, then it is a time to get it done. Secondly, nowadays diabetes is also very rampant, and we are going to be the capital of diabetes in the world. So people who have diabetes are also prone to develop cataract at early age. Thirdly, patients who are on steroids, either oral or those using drops without any medical advice, are also prone to develop cataract. People who smoke are also prone. Now even people at younger age, like children, can develop a congenital cataract, that is by birth cataract, and even injuries to your eye can cause cataract. So there are multiple causes of a cataract. Anything that causes your clear lens to become opaque is a cause for a cataract. So how is this cataract handled? When you start developing symptoms, it is advisable to visit your ophthalmologist, as it is not advisable to make your cataract hard and wait for it to become totally opaque, and it doesn't mean that you should go to your ophthalmologist when you can't see anything. So the concept that cataract should be mature is no more existing because of advances in technology and skills, as I said before. So when you go to an ophthalmologist, he will do a thorough checkup of your eye to see whether you are going to get a good vision after cataract surgery. That is, he will check your retina, he will check your eye pressure, everything, and then he will advise you. The next important step becomes that all your systemic parameters are normal or not, whether your heart is normal enough, whether your diabetes is controlled or not, whether your blood pressure is controlled or not. After all these systemic examinations, the next step of checking your lens power comes. Now at our center we use very advanced tools like IL Master from Carl Zeiss, Germany, or a Quentin immersion A-scan to calculate the exact lens power that needs to be fit into your eye, so that the dependence on glasses after surgery is minimal or it's not there. So we try to make a person glass independent after cataract surgery. The next step is a cataract surgery itself. At our center we use a cold phaco technology, so the heat liberated during surgery is minimal and it doesn't cause any damage to your other eye structures. Surgery takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes to get over, and most of our surgeries are done only with drops, where we don't have to give injections or put stitches on your eye, as the minute cuts that we take are self-sealing and don't need any stitches. When a person is coming to us with the symptoms of cataract, we first carry out the comprehensive eye examination of that person. With advanced tools like slit lamp, we are able to check front and back part of the eye, that is retina, to see how much patient is going to see after cataract surgery. Secondly, we check the eye pressure of the person to rule out any other problems like glaucoma. All the tests are done in. Now we come to the treatment of cataract. For cataract surgery is the only option. There are no dietary supplements, exercises, or any optical devices that are proven to cure cataract. The cataract need not be mature for you to approach the ophthalmologist, because with the newer technologies, we want cataract to be a little softer to make it easier to remove through the smaller cuts. When a patient comes to us for a examination, a detailed examination is conducted to see if there are any other eye diseases in his retina or other eye diseases like glaucoma. First, examination is carried out with a slit lamp to see the magnified view of the front as well as back of the eye. Then we check eye pressure to rule out any glaucomatous problem. and then all other tests like sac syringing is done to see if your the duct that carries water into your nose is patent or not, to prevent any infection at later stages after surgery. Then patient is asked to undergo some systemic examinations like blood sugar, ECG, and some other basic investigations for the safety of the patient. Once all tests are normal, the next step comes of measuring the accurate lens power. At our clinic, we use IOLMaster by Carl Zeiss to measure accurate lens power, so that patient's dependence on glass after surgery is almost nil. In our operation theatre, we have lamellar airflow to maintain sterile air during the surgery, so that there is almost minimal or nil chance of infection. We use an advanced phaco machine called cold phaco to remove the cataracts. It is called cold phaco because heat generated during cataract surgery is minimal with this machine, so that